Hi babes, it's David here and I'm with the gorgeous Rute.
Hi everyone.
And we're going to show you how to unleash your lips' fullest plumping potential with our powerful lip scrub and balms. Exfoliating and conditioning lips is key to creating the ultimate fullness to lips and getting the best application for any lip look. Powerful lip scrub helps to exfoliate the lips, removing dry skin so it reveals smooth, even looking lips. Its name is dragon fruit, and as you can see it looks like one. Powerful lip scrub is infused with conditioning tropical oils such as papaya extract, papaya seed oil, and mango butter, so it helps condition the lips, but it does not contain plumping. So this is just meant to prime your lips so that they get the fullest application. So as you apply the product generously on, those granulars are going to help to remove dry skin cells. I like to apply it by doing circular motions to ensure that you remove all the dry skin. Let's plump and add utter hydration using our powerful Plump lip balm. I'm going to use shade Dolly Fever to Rute's lips to add a beautiful wash of mauve to the lips. What I love about these lip balms is that they have the plumping peptides to it, pumpkin seed oil, and pH reactors to them. This one has a nice flush to it already, but if I were to use like Big O, for example, that's clear, has the pH reactor in it. It was just give your lips a nice like pink tint. These steps are going to help you unleash your fullest potential.